out there. Had the rototiller out there and everything. I was going to plant some onions. I need some help with that, so I need you to get big and strong. Okay? Big and strong. And Lila told Lila we got to plant some flowers. So we'll plant some flowers over there. And you can have some potatoes and some onions. Yeah, I like that. You like them taters? Probably have some now.
He has changed.
What?
What's your month away?
So we can turn at the bar. Check it. Where are we going back and forth?
I would think so.
Yeah, he is gonna be bigger than that.
I think Joey too.
He's just big.
Steve,
and
how
he's
many
not
badges
heavy.
did you have
He's
on
not
you?
heavy. He's not heavy at all.
They went up like this.
Oh, look how much gelatin.
Probably 40. You had to have so many.
Yeah. Well, you saw them last summer.
Anyhow,
Dig it out.
we had buried something in a certain spot, and we all had a little map to it.
Rob's nose, though.
So when they buried it, the next
So we
group
heard about his
in
little
7
son.
years or so can go up.
Grace is good at Street Fighter.
That's more combat.
Oh my God, you should have seen the girl on the plane today. Did you hear about it, Tony? Please don't have a little.
It looks like you're falling off the cruise ship and they're trying to pull you back
There we go.
You have one too many there.
There you go. I got one.
Chin's out. Chin's out. Who needs it?
She don't need there.
We got 5% better.
Hurry up.
I took it.
Well, please, because she's suffocating. Oh, yeah. I can get in from the other side. Put the headrest down and then. I'd squeeze one more over here.
Like the one with wheels, I could just sit in the back.
Right here. This one
Alrighty.
Bye. See you later. We're off. We're off to see the wizard.
Going the right way.
It's better than
Last time we went down, then we went through that.
Yeah.
You were driving.
I don't need any.
All right. So you're to the restaurant.
Smile, you're on candid camera. You'll be much faster. Library. Going live. Well, sort of.
Where?
Let's get the big man in here.
Yeah, I can only count my mom off to the floor at length of time.
Oh, you probably got this somewhere.
Yeah. It looks like perfect size. Right.
Yeah, because that's a swallow. That's very.
Wait, half of it land.
There's no way they're.
got into a closet.
I'm so white.
Oh, yeah, take a picture. Wait a minute.
Too late. I'm already videoing.
Can you take a picture, please?
Yeah.
So you got into an argument?
Well,
Notre Dame, he was like mathematics.
I'll have to video everybody.
That's what we hired him for. He said he's that. Just like, I tell him something, he said, oh yeah.
What's up? Thank you, sir.
And every time.
No, I couldn't fall asleep on that. Well, we sat.
You didn't get a scan of the weight of the waiter? How much they weigh? Everybody weighs? Go up there with your sister.
Bill, you gotta get this.
oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Give me all your money. I look like a Muslim.
Get your head thing on.
Where are you right? Like my car was back, so Eric just loves something. My car was back.
I got you.
in every step of the way. And
You are real
local bar. The local bar is up the coast and order it there. No, there's people eating, but they don't. I think they don't have the waiters.
And I asked if there was a proposal, and you don't remember.
We didn't have one. Bill didn't propose to me.
And then on your wedding day, you worked 7 to 3, and the wedding was at 6 o'clock. And Presbyterian Church of Fair.
I know their honeymoon was in Elkton.
And Mom bought a dress, but Aunt Gloria insisted that she wear her sister-in-law's gown. Bridesmaid was Esther Ramford, and your brother Frank was best man. And you had your reception at Owen's Clubhouse. Aunt Betsy made the cake and all the food. Okay. Oh, it says other relatives helped make the food as well. Your honeymoon in Elkton, Maryland. You lived with Grandma and Grandpa Blizzard for 2 years until I was born. And then you lived in the basement for a year before you built the top of the house.
All I was waiting for is 21 because you couldn't get a loan.
Yeah. And then after 35 years, Mom's wedding ring was wearing thin. So you went to J.C. Penney. Excuse me. J.C. Penney and bought one for $1,200. After 55 years, you replaced that ring for a 3-carat ring that you paid $4,500 for. It was originally $10,000. It was on and it said, Mom had no boyfriends before you. Is that true? Is there anything I can do back to this place in Georgetown? Anything else back in there? Just that coffee. What do you want?
Anybody.
Well, mostly
Or your family.
Mostly your family.
What do you want? Your grandchildren?
Farm boy that worked hard, that had lots of love, that made the marriage successful.
Oh, yeah? My days off.
The best time of his married life.
She never got it.
You ought to add that. She never got it.
Absolutely. Any that bothers me a lot is work as long hours. I come home and didn't recognize she had spent all those hours with the kids by herself, and I wasn't there. Now here I want attention because I work 12, 14 hours. She done put in the same amount for them kids.
And didn't get paid.
You whether your father or something.
And she didn't get paid. At least you got paid.
Yes, she got it.
You never got that much trouble.
I came very close.
Yeah,
Several times.
There's a lot of things I don't know, and I
There's a lot of
don't need, and
things
I don't need to know.
So,
But you always
got a favorite?
and the kids will
You know what my favorite memory is? Waking up on Christmas morning and you having those bright lights in our eyes, and Bill got a guitar, and he's like, remember the guitar Bill had? He got it for Christmas. And
A guitar.
And his legs are going like Elvis Presley. You don't remember that?
You're not taping that. Why aren't you filming this?
Your legs were Bill following me to playing that old fashioned playground.
He didn't sing, did he?
No. But his legs were like going a mile a minute like Elvis Presley.
All I remember is Rob being 5 years old and the first time I stayed at your house for Christmas, and Rob knocking on the door, "Get up, it's Christmas," and it was like 6 a.m. I'm like, oh my God. Rob, you were so cute.
The Jewish girl is here.
The Jewish girl. But we never did Christmas. Rob's waking up, and I was in your room, your old room, because you were out.
Did you wake up?
Yeah. You woke me up.
Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished.
Dad, what's your favorite food?
Steamed bread.
Oh, there you go. That's
Hey,
it.
Sharon.
She answered.
And cookies. Cookies.
Mom, what's your favorite food?
Grilled cheese or something.
Oh, I really don't have a favorite.
Someone else. Maybe.
I'm not big into questions.
Okay, so what's your favorite tradition as a married couple? Do you have any tradition?
I guess you do. But your anniversary is a special thing for that. You have to have a kiss. I didn't get a kiss.
Gotta have a kiss for
Because
anniversary.
it's an anniversary or
Birthday.
birthday or something like that, and you have to acknowledge.
At least acknowledge.
Yeah.
Is that on my head?
And you can just use like from the grocery store. The goat cheese doesn't cover like it's small, but it's really.
We'll get Bill at the end. Hey, turn your head.
Hey, Bato!
And don't forget me.
You can taste the goat cheese.
I'm in love with you.
I'll get a knife for you so you can take a cut and then you can sit down. Okay.